What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I wasn't able to upload yesterday. I had a busy 2 days, so I'm going to upload the video today, and I'll give you guys a trade breakdown for yesterday's trades, and I'll give you guys the breakdown for today's trades. So we'll go over the trades from yesterday. And on yesterday, I made about $873, and then I'll go over the Amazon trade. So we can go over it right here. So this was yesterday right at open. Amazon had a resistance right here. I took it above resistance based on volume, and it was overbought, so I went in very lightly. I just bought one contract, so I got in right here, and then I took profits at the top of this candle. So you can see here on Amazon, I made about $120 on that. So Tesla, I took Tesla, I actually swung it overnight. So Tesla obviously has been extremely bullish based on the news of being added to the S&P 500. So I was just riding the momentum on it, and I swung it over the weekend actually. So it was at about, I think, close at like 493 is when I got in, and I took profits the next day, which was Monday. So I'll show you guys exactly where I took profits. So I got in Tesla for a swing over the weekend, and I took profits right here. So this was over the weekend, and in the morning there was extremely, bullish momentum. You can see here. So I rolled the candle and I took profits at the top of this one here. So I got out right here. Again, it was extremely overbought, so I wasn't really thinking there was going to be some sort of continuation. As you can see, it's way above the RSI. It's extremely overbought. So I was in profits and I took them right here. And you can see I made about $475 on that. So PayPal, I'll go over that one. And I took that one based on flow. So if I type in PayPal here. So I took this based on flow, and you can see it was extremely bullish in the morning. And I got in right around here. So I think about 197, which is right here. So I got in right here and I scalped it to the top of this candle. Again, overbought, so I took profits and it fell down, just because that's what happens when it's extremely overbought. If it's at a high point, it's gonna have to pull back to reset the RSI. So that's why I got in here and I took profits on that quickly. And then I was able to make $120 on that. So I made about $873 on the day for that. So we'll go over today's trades. I'll give you guys a breakdown of today's trades. Today was actually, I didn't trade from my desk. I was actually at a friend's house of mine and a couple trader buddies of mine. So we actually traded together, and it ended up being actually a really good day. It was a lot of fun trading today. So I'll post a video for you guys too. We had a lot of fun. We made some money and actually had fun too. So that's one of the reasons I actually love trading too, is because you're not always stressed out all the time. You're making money with the same people that have the same passion, and everybody's just having fun. So I'll upload a video for you guys right there, and you guys can see how much money we made today. How much did I make today?
$450.
How much did he make?
$750.
How much did you make?
$1,086.
Nah, that's $750. You thought it was $750.
So-
Yeah, $1,000,
No,
yeah.
no, no, not
There you go.
1,000,
Yeah, look at that.
So how much did we? How much did we? Hold on.
It's not 1,000. It's 1,000 out of
we made
5,000, bro.
Yeah.
We made $2,400 in less than 3 hours.
And where? Right here in this trading
Right here
floor.
in this
By who?
trading floor.
By who?
By Hasib.
There you go, baby. There you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was just me and a couple of my buddies, trading today. We made some good money on Tesla. So I'll go over the 2 trades that I took today, and I'll show you how much I was able to profit on that. So I took the trade Roku, which is right at open. So I made about $400 on Roku. And BA, I won't really go over. BA, I took over the high of day. I didn't really have momentum, so I exited the trade very quickly. But I'll go over Roku because that was my biggest profit on the day. So it was $432 for today. So Roku, I actually took right at open. So if I go to Roku here on my watch list, you can see here I had a resistance, okay? So you can see right at open, this thing took off, right? So it opened up, and it was a very nice candle. So I got in right as soon as it broke the resistance, and I took profits right around here. I didn't catch the full trade, but I took profits right around here. Again, the RSI was getting there, and I'm very careful when I'm watching this. And you can see what happens, as soon as it hits this point, it rejects, and you can see there's a little bit of downtrend here, and it goes right back to the RSI. So that was the trade I took today. And BA, obviously, I'll show you guys that very quickly. BA was nothing special. I just took it over the highs. So BA here, you can see it. So I have my resistance here, and it broke it open. I didn't get into that. I was waiting for the second candle to break above the highs here. And again, that's exactly what I took. So as soon as it broke above the highs, which is at about $220, I scalped it to resistance right here, and I took profits. I only made $25 on that. So I went in lightly on that position because I wasn't very confident. And again, my big trade was already there, which was Roku, so I didn't want to get into another trade and then losing the profits on that because I wasn't very confident, because the market, you know, has been very choppy now because of the holiday season coming up. You know, we have Thanksgiving coming up. Markets close on Thursday. It'll only be open until 1 p.m. on Friday. So I was just careful with my trades. You know, I wasn't actually looking to trade this week, but you know, we actually got a lot of good setups. So I was very happy with the momentum and the money I was able to make. So I think it was about $870 or $880 yesterday, and then $432 today. And you guys saw, you know, it was a very good trading day as well. And one thing I want to go over is, you know, it's been a very good week, and I'd say, you know, past month. Obviously, haven't been posting for that amount of time, but you know, profits have been good.
So I messed up in this part of the video saying that I got myself the monitor, but it was actually a gift from a friend. So I talk about that in this part of the video right here.
I got myself a Samsung 49-inch curved screen monitor, and I just wanna shout out Aleem. I know who you know who you are. I want to thank you. He actually gifted this to me, so I want to thank him for that. So you know, I'm gonna pack this for you guys. I'm gonna put it up. I actually want the 49-inch right here. So if we come here, I'll show you exactly what my plan is. So I actually want to put the 49-inch right here, and I want to put this 32 up here if there's room, if it doesn't hit the ceiling. And if that's not possible, I'm actually going to switch rooms. I'm actually going to move it over. And everybody's going crazy over this guy. He's just walking around. This is my bird. You know, he's trying to be a distraction in the video. So he just walks around the house. But we can get right back into the video. So that's basically my plan, is I want to mount the 49-inch here, put the 32-inch on top, and hopefully I'll be able to watch, you know, multiple charts and be able to get better at trading now, because, you know, I have a bigger screen. And again, I want to shout out Aleem. Thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. You know, it was very different, and if you guys did, definitely give me a like. You know, drop it in the comments if you guys want to see more of, you know, outside action of what I do on a daily basis too. I'll post that for you guys. And if you guys are new to the channel and you guys think it was beneficial for you guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching.